Hi guys, this is Fehmi and you are watching Fehmi's Art channel. Before proceeding, let me remind you, please do subscribe my channel, click the like button and share the videos. And do not forget to hit the iconic bell button for some latest videos from Fehmi's Art. So come on, let's start. Today we are going to paint a plate, and with the acrylic colors are so flexible, you can paint it on any surface and stimulate your creativity. Now, first and foremost, we have painted the sky with beautiful blue colors, and on it, this is the painting of the tree in details. For painting a tree, first you have to lay some dark shades and overlay it some light greens and lemon directly onto the surface where we are painting. See, first I am showing you how to create the trunk of the tree. So I have laid 3 shades, one brown, some blackish brown and ochre yellow. And what you have to do is just dip your brush into the colors, twist and turn, and the natural shading comes. Natural shading and natural trunk textures come out so easily. So it's very easy. Don't get scared to pick up the brush and start painting. Yes, you can do it. It's very easy. So while painting the branches, all the branches are ended with the shape of V. Usually, we end the branches in the shape of V. Now, the dark green, first the dark green shade is being laid, and then we pour all the shades, that is lemon yellow, sap green, light green, onto the tree itself and dip the brush and go on creating the foliage, leaves. It looks very beautiful. The natural textures, the natural shadings come out. And beautiful texture is created. It looks very natural, dense, and it is an effortless creation. Now for the tree mainly, I did show you how to create the tree in the details. This is the final highlight, final finishing touches, and the last shade is always the lightest shade. The leaves shine up onto the tree and the natural effect of light comes out. Now over these trees we have painted a hut with beautiful textures, and now see the leaves. We want to paint the leaves over the hut, so you can go on creating with wet in wet technique. Now I am using the cone to create the doors and the windows of the hut. The painting is really very interesting. So start painting. So start your creativity and stimulate your creativity, and you can create anything with the acrylic shades. Friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel Fehmi's Art. See how beautifully the pathway is being laid. The strokes are horizontal. The stroke matters very much. So if your strokes are right, your painting will come alive. and it is the single brush you can paint with. I have taken the flat headed brush, and you can use the brush in different ways by using its tips, and the pressures are also really different. Somewhere you have to put in a light pressure, somewhere you have to press the brush, somewhere you have to do the horizontal strokes, and for the grass those vertical strokes with a jerk. And these are the flowers. We are putting in some colors into the painting now. Beautiful red, and your painting will come alive. See how the flowers are created.